Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2013 utility, 36'6" steel wood, folks. Universal mounting kit on the back of this unit. Beautiful unit, been turbo blasted, primed and repainted. Excellent kingpin plate, pre-weighted in the front. This unit's nice and clean, excellent wood condition on the top. Brand new buyer's toolbox. One very nice feature, brand new rubber, steel refurbed rim on the outer, brand new brakes and drums. Air ride suspension, universal mounting kit, carries a Moffett, a Princeton, a Load Mac, and many other brands. As I said, wood deck, folks, in excellent condition, brand new rubber, refurbed steel outer rim, brand new straps on all our trucks and trailers. If you go to 99lifts.com, take a look at our trucks, our trailers, our Piggyback Forklifts available for sale, Moffett's, Princeton's, Load Macs, Navigators, many other brands. Let us know if you have a lift. We'll let you know what will fit our trucks and trailers. We will do any modifications if necessary. This is Equipment Remarketing. Give us a call at 260-238-4998.